Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate foam nails or bubble nails. Yeah, I'm just going to simplify it for you and show you how easy it can be done. So we're going to start off quickly here because it's going to be a quick video, and I'm going to be using this blue here as my base color, and I'm going to be applying this on the whole nail here. And then I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat of this blue. So let me go ahead and cure that, and then we'll be back. Okay, so we are back, and I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat of this blue here on the whole nail, and then again I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to come back and show you exactly what we need to do next. So yeah, let me go ahead and apply this and cure this, and then we'll be back and I'll show you the next step. And I'm going to go ahead and wipe this nail down. Okay, I'm just removing the tacky layer. Now what I'm going to do at this point is, on here I have a drop of white, and I mixed it in with some clear top coat, just because I didn't want it to be a bright white. I wanted it to be a more translucent white, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply this wherever it is that you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it like this. Okay, so I'm just applying this white, as you can see. Alright, and that's all I'm doing to that. And I'm going to go in, and you can use any gel color that you would like. I just like the way this mix of white looks. But I'm going to go ahead and take my bottle of water, shake it up a little bit, okay, so I can create those bubbles, because I already put some soap in here. So I'm just shaking this up. I'm just letting it settle down a little bit. I don't want it to splatter all over me. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this little bowl here, and I'm going to be adding these bubbles there. So I'm just going to be pushing them out, and then I'm going to help myself with the cuticle pusher. I did learn that you need to work fast. Okay, so then I'm just going to be applying these bubbles. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this in the light for 30 seconds, okay? And then I'm going to show you exactly how that looks. As you can see, it does, the bubbles do burst a little quick, so work fast. And then we're putting this in, and then I'll come back and show you the way that looks. Okay guys, so I went ahead and added the top coat and cured it, and then this is the way the finished product looks. Well, I hope that this video helps you out. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and then I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.